Hello everyone, I am Sudhvi. Welcome to my channel. I do tarot readings for the people from all around the world. So you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Right now I am gonna do your general reading for the Virgo people for the month of July 2021 with this tarot card. So let's see what we have for Virgo. And so now today I'm gonna pull 3 cards out from tarot deck. First card will be the first 10 days of July. Second card is the middle 10 days of July. And the third card will be the last 10 days of July 2021. Okay. So Virgo, what we have for Virgo? Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Okay. What we have for Virgo? Okay. Okay. Judgment. Yeah. Virgo needs that because Virgo have done lots of work, lots of things for others, but in return they receive nothing, something like that. They feeling heartbroken, some backstabbing in his or her life. Okay, so definitely like Virgo, I'm also a Virgo, so I will, I can just resonate this. Yeah, first thing I have said this, Virgo needs judgment because Virgo is gone through a lot. Okay, 10 of Swords, some endings, some some big like tower moment. Like Virgo has very patiently just tackling this all horrible things in his or her life. And Virgo is a sign which is very giving in nature and very nurture in nature, nurturing others and just caring for others and helping others. Virgo is all about giving, only giving. Nothing is just he or she is not accepting anything from anyone. And this is this is the card of 10 of Swords, is a card of someone is backstabbed you or someone ditches you or something like just you have gone through a lot, Virgo. So you have to keep patience because judgment is coming your way in the month of July. Look at this. We have both 9 of Swords and 10 of Swords. Like, yeah, you are feeling some anxiety, some depression within you, and just you are suffering from insomnia, like you are not sleeping and just worrying about all the things going into your life or just happened in your past, and just you are worrying about your past or something, and just you feel very heartbroken and very like sorry, you feel defeated here. Like you just feel that just it's your end, like all is just nothing is going right, or nothing is going what you want, like in your way. Okay, according to your work or according to you, nothing is happening according to you basically. But here this card is giving me a hope that everything is coming into your way, like equal give and take is happening. It's a prediction of July, right? So it will happen. It's a card of look at this number 6, equal give and take. Like we have 6 of Pentacles. Like look at this man, how he's equally giving his pentacles to both the beggars here. So your life will be going to a stable in the month of July. Like what is not here, equal give and take. You have patiently waiting for something, Virgo, I think. Look at this Queen of Pentacles. Just escape from these energies. Okay. These all are temporary energies, nothing to worry. All is going to be alright at the end. Okay. And what you want, Virgo, you will definitely receive, because your deeds, your karma is very good. Your intentions are very good towards everyone. So Virgo, don't worry. Judgment is coming into, it's a major arcana's card. Okay. Definitely judgment is coming into your way. It's Archangel Michael wings. It's a very spiritual card for me. Judgment. So Virgo, just keep patience. Okay. Just keep patience within yourself. And just do meditation, some your own work, some your own self-love. Okay. Like we have also received this 9 of Pentacles. You are going to be very abundant, very just you feel very stable, you feel very beautiful and very calm. And just we have also received this Queen of Pentacles, right? This Pentacles is a it's a card of earth sign, like Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So these are this zodiac which is very grounded, very stable, very calm and grounded. So just what you are waiting for, Virgo, and what you are going through right now in your life, like 10 of Swords, it will definitely leads to your leads on your side. Like it is going it is happening for all your for your benefits, for your learning. It's a learning phase for you, Virgo. It's a learning phase for you. Okay, don't worry. It is coming into your way. In the middle part, you will see this Knight of Swords. Okay. So Virgo, Knight of Swords here telling me that a big changes is coming into your life. Okay, some opportunities. Okay, like what you have done, what you have just lost here, like feeling very just you felt like all is ended in your life, or all the things you have worked just ended, and it's not a finished business, some unfinished business, or some unsatisfied. You are feeling like very very dissatisfaction. So it is all coming into your way. That's why you feel at the till the last 10 days of July you will feel very comfortable and very stable in your own position and very independent. Okay. Yeah, so Virgo, what are you feeling right now? Like you are feeling some, like you don't have any clarity of your life right now, because you are feeling this 10 of Swords. So here the angels are telling you that don't feel sad about the things, because judgment is here. Okay, and it is coming into your way, Knight of Swords, very fast. Okay, so it will not take time, so don't worry about that. Knight of Swords is a very fast energy, fast moving energy, and some clarity is coming into your life, some judgment is happening, and when the judgment is appearing in your reading, so it's a very spiritual card, and definitely some injustice is happened in your past, or right now happening, so that's why you receive this judgment card here. And like Virgo is not expecting anything from anyone, so always she or he is facing in his life some injustice or misunderstood by others or something like that. So that's why he or she is not, you know, in a that position to just explain herself or himself in front of others. So they just you know, they just leave all this, and just he or she is in own company, he or she is his own isolations, and in his own company or her own company. Okay, so please clarify this Ten of Cups, Ten of Swords, sorry, I have said Ten of Cups, so definitely Ten of Cups is happening, is going to happen in your life, okay, soon. Ten of Cups is all about happy family, very satisfied family. So please clarify this Ten of Swords here. Please clarify this Ten of Swords here. What is this Ten of Swords here? It is Three of Swords. Yeah, Virgo is heartbroken. I told you since the starting of this reading, many times I told you that Virgo is not expecting anything from anyone. So within himself or herself, she is feeling very unsatisfied, something like she is not even explained that situation, or he is not even explained that situation, like very heartbroken, very, you know, just feeling missing, something is missing in his or her life, like everything is available in his or her life, like she is very beautiful, she has lots of money, and she has everything, family, happy family, money, all the degrees, all the things, all the friends she has, all the, you know, she will get a lots of compliments, a lot of things she has in his in her life or her life, but still she is going through this. Why? Because of her giving nature, because of his giving nature. Okay, so she, because of this nature, she always felt unsatisfied, like always felt like nothing is going to, you know, just nothing is going right, or in is her, according to in is her way. Okay, so here you are feeling this Ten of Swords because of some heartbroken or third party situation in your life. So take one card as an outcome for Virgo people. Don't feel hurt. So Virgo, don't feel heartbroken, because all the things will come to you what you want at divine timing, because we have judgment here. Don't feel heartbroken. Okay, you will definitely receive. So as an outcome or guidance, please give me one. So Virgo, we have a strength. So Virgo, we have a strength here, clearly telling you that just keep this strength within you, and wait for the right time to receive this judgment. Okay, so overall you have to keep patience with yourself. As an outcome advice, this card is came out, and definitely judgment will happen, but it's on your divine. So yeah, this is all for Virgo. So Thank you Virgo for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and with your family and friends. Thank you Virgo.